Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to set the joint limits and joint speed limits for the robot. Let's go into configure, under safety, go into joint limits. And here, you can see our range of the joint limits, joint position, and our range for the maximum speed of the joint. You can set these speed based on different mode that you need. And then to trigger this mode, you'll simply set the safety input 02 and safety input 12 to high. Let's say we can clear this and set it to 180. Once you made all your changes and you're satisfied with your changes, just click apply. And then you'll have to power off the robot and turn on again for the changes to take effect. That's how you set the joint limits. Thank you for watching.